Disgraced South Carolina attorney Alec Murdaugh and his lawyers are preparing to ask a judge to throw out his murder conviction and life sentence for killing his wife and son in their Colleton County home back in 2021. The hearing actually will take place over about 3 days. During a pretrial hearing, a judge ruled several items against the defense that's going to make it much harder for Murdaugh to get that new trial. One thing that they ruled is that the level of proof that the defense has to show, they have to actually prove that the influence of Colleton County Clerk Becky Hill made them decide to vote guilty instead of not guilty, instead of what the defense wanted, which was just simply that her influence on them was what ended up, that she simply had influence on them, not that she made them change their mind, maybe a subtle influence on them.
Defendant Knight, I have set an evidentiary hearing.
Another blow against the defense was they wanted to call people other than the jurors and the clerk court Becky Hill, but Judge Jean Toll ruled that they can't call prosecutors or state investigators or even the trial judge Clifton Newman. The defense wanted to show that Becky Hill made statements to him showing that she thought Murdaugh was guilty, but that evidence won't be able to be placed into the record. Even if Murdaugh gets a new trial on the murder charges, he won't walk out of prison. He's serving more than 20 years on 24 different fraud charges, stealing from clients, things of that nature, and he pleaded guilty to those charges. This may be one of the last times we see Murdaugh in a true traditional kind of courtroom format. I mean, where there's witnesses testifying and things. The chances of us seeing him outside of prison again become slimmer and slimmer. He has plenty of appeals left, but those are going to be like in Supreme Courts and places where you don't see as much traditional courtroom action.